Hey guys, so today I'm going to work through problem 1.1 out of Schroeder's thermophysics textbook. So this one's pretty basic, but it's good to work through a lot of different problems. It says the Fahrenheit temperature scale is defined so that ice melts at 32 degrees Fahrenheit and water boils at 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Derive the formulas for converting from Fahrenheit to Celsius and back. What is absolute zero on the Fahrenheit square scale? Sorry if you hear my laptop running in the background there. I'm running some code and I just figured I would do something else while it runs, and this is that something else. So for Fahrenheit, temperature in Fahrenheit of 32 degrees corresponds to a temperature in Celsius to 0 degrees, and the temperature Fahrenheit of 212 degrees corresponds to a temperature in Celsius of 100 degrees. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say that the temperature in Fahrenheit is equal to some constant times the temperature in Celsius plus some y-intercept b. And in this case we have 2 points, so we can actually solve for this. We can say 32 degrees equals, I'm going to plug in 0 here, so that's 0, equals just b. So then we have TF equals ATC plus 32 degrees. Now we can use our other temperature, so we can say 212 equals A times 100 plus 32. And in this case what we're going to do is we're simply going to solve for A, which means I have to get a calculator. So 212 minus 32 is 180. So we have 180 equals A times 100, right? And then, let's see, we can do this. So we have 18 over 10 equals A. This is the same thing as 9 over 5. Okay. So then TF equals 9 over 5 TC plus 32. And if you wanted to go the other way, you just have to solve for TC. So we'll subtract 32 from both sides and then multiply by 5 over 9, and that tells you the temperature in Celsius. So that was all part A. Part B, what is absolute zero on the Fahrenheit scale? So absolute zero is happening at 273 minus 273 degrees Celsius. Let's actually check the book. Yeah, 0.15. 0.15. Okay. So then absolute zero in Fahrenheit would be 9/5 times negative 273.15 plus 32. Alright, so 9 times negative, okay, so 273.15, and then we're going to divide that by 5. So that gets me minus 491.67 plus 32. So that'll be minus 459.67 degrees. and that is in Fahrenheit. So pretty straightforward problem to work through, but hopefully this helped if this was one that you were curious about. Please like the video and subscribe, and I'll post more solutions in the future.